Hello, we are the team problem solver. We try to provide the solution of problem given by the Ministry of Railways. The problem is to provide an alternative solution for the existing paper seals used at the gate of goods train. Actual problem in the existing practice is the lack of reusability of paper seals, extra requirement of manpower, and still the very problem of seal tampering go undetected. And if in case it is go detected, in that case also we fails to detect the exact location of seal tampering. Now how we provide the solution? We have prepared a portable kit that is to be installed at the gates of wagons from inside. This portable kit will detect the unauthorized gate opening or closing. On detecting any unauthorized access, the kit will provide the information to the main server that will be located in the engine of train. From the server, the information of unauthorized access will be passed to the local control unit, the railway staff and the web server. This very information will be updated on our website also along with position stamp and time stamp. Now detailed explanation of our kit. Our prototype kit comprises a microcontroller that is Arduino Nano, two lithium-ion batteries and an RF24L01 module along with a pull-up register that to detect the opening and closing of gate. On the status of pull-up register, microcontroller will process the information that will be passed to the server through the NRF. NRF being bidirectional communication module, NRF being bidirectional communication module while working in half duplex mode will transmit and receive information as well. Each kits in the gates of the wagon will be connected with each other in the network. The information of opening and closing of gate will be passed by through the network to the server. Our server will comprise Arduino Mega, an RF24L01, a GPS module, a GSM module, lithium-ion batteries, and a OLED display for help. An RF module will receive the information from the kit and this will be processed by Arduino Mega and corresponding information will be shown on the display and it will also transferred via GSM module to the control unit, railway staff as well as to web server, and that information will automatically be updated on the website. GPS module is also used in our server to detect the precise location along with the time. We have made complete arrangement for the authorized access with the help of GSM module and that too having 28-bit encryption to provide the extra security, but we are unable to show it in our simulation. In case of making an unauthorized access, the railway staff will request to the server will provide a OTP on the registered mobile number of the railway staff. That OTP will be entered in the server at engine and that will provide the authorized access. This way our system will detect unauthorized and authorized access along with the timestamp and the date. That too will be updated on the website